Food is one of the main sustenances of life. But so many of us are wasting a lot of food. This hurts our budget and even the environment. To counteract this, we've created an elegant solution for you. Introducing SealVac, the world's first cordless UV vacuum sealer. SealVac can be used in the most convenient way anytime, anywhere. The SealVac also comes with 3 UVC LEDs. These lights sterilize the section of the bag that is being sealed, so that you can store food for a longer period of time in a safer and more effective way. The SealVac is able to achieve powerful performance through its Samsung batteries. To charge, simply use a C-type cable. When fully charged, it can be used 80 times. Your food will stay fresh for up to 5 times longer with SealVac. By vacuum packaging it, you'll even save a ton of fridge space. And it can easily be used indoors or outdoors. This can also be used to marinate meats for sous vide style cooking. With a wine stopper, you can even preserve leftover wine. SealVac is also compatible with other existing sealing bags or containers. A silicone plate has also been placed along the heating wire to prevent heat damage. This means that SealVac can be used consecutively without the risk of overheating. It also comes with a vertical stand so that you can use your kitchen space more efficiently. Best of all, SealVac is super intuitive. Start and finish vacuum sealing by pressing the auto button once. When packaging foods with a lot of liquids, use the manual button to control the level of vacuum sealing. Experience a new paradigm of food preparation and cooking in the most convenient way. With the cordless UV food vacuum sealer, SealVac.
This is XGO, a desktop AI quadruped robot. XGO has 12 degrees of freedom. Joints are controlled by serial buses. Feature flexible omnidirectional motion performance. 6-dimensional body posture control attained. Now, begin! XGO can shake hands with you, track the movement of your face, and also identify different objects. When it is fed a bone, it will get excited. XGO not only can recognize human faces, what's more, remind you to put your mask on. XGO also comes with a specific app. With this app, you can control it at ease. Come on, XGO, make a stretch. XGO comes with a 9-axis IMU that adapts to ground tilting and keeps the body balanced, resists external interference, maintains the direction of motion. XGO comes with a K210 AI Edge computing chip on RISC-V architecture that realizes a variety of intelligent HCI features. Squat down. XGO can do is more than this. XGO is equipped with an open-source control interface and graphic programming feature. You can program XGO easily. This is XGO, a programmable desktop AI quadruped robot with flexible motion. You are expected to bring more possibilities to XGO.
This is MoreFinder X1, a one-button GPS tracker. Push the button, track, and find. It's not easy to find your pet outdoors, but MoreFinder X1 can connect your pets with you when your phone is busy or without phone connectivity. It comes with a built-in screen so it can work independently, and it does not rely on any applications and can easily show the exact location of your pets or something you care about. An alert will be activated once a child or pet strays outside of the safe zone. The battery can keep working for a whole day, and the standby time can reach up to 10 days. What's more, MoreFinder X1 can connect your family together. The host tracking device can have multiple hosts connected, allowing you to keep track of your family or your hiking friend. If you have more than one pet, MoreFinder X1 can help you track up to 4 pets. And yes, you don't need to pay any additional fees or subscriptions. MoreFinder can continue tracking each other between devices for up to 4 miles, more confidence in your trip. You can record your voice and allow your pets to listen to your own voice command. And the highly visible LED light is perfect for tracking your dog in the dark. Many colors are available. Choose your favorite. Enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence.
Is there a phone that is ultra-portable and also functional? Yes, there is. Introducing Mint, the smallest 4G smartphone that fits any pocket. Elegant, sleek, and squared-off design. Android operating system with 3-inch screen, the perfect combination of Apple and Google. Take Mint with you anywhere. Mint makes an ideal backup phone. Its small size makes it perfect for traveling and exercising. With its dual SIM card slots, Mint will give you an easier and more efficient business trip experience. Mint is credit card sized and can fit into your wallet. It is tiny, powerful, and unique, and the perfect conversation starter. Back us today and be one of the first to receive Mint.